Hello all, welcome to this channel at all. Today I am going to give you a tutorial on how you can connect Bluetooth module HC05 with Arduino. I will cover both hardware configuration and coding part, and I will also cover the general mistakes that beginners do and how we can solve it. And there is a link present in description. If you are a beginner, go through it. It will help you a lot in learning Arduino. And guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel for more such informative videos. With that, let's start this topic. So we will start from pin configuration. Well, the pins of this module is clearly marked, so you will not face any problem in finding them. So let's jump to the working of these pins. So there is a EN pin. It is used for switching between data mode and AT command mode. Now what is AT command mode? Well, there you can change the name and password and some more credentials of your Bluetooth module. We will talk about this AT commands later. Next pin is VCC pin. Here you can connect maximum of 5 volt to power this module. And next is ground. Just connect this pin to the ground of Arduino. Next is RX and TX. These pins are used for exchanging data between Arduino and Bluetooth module. We will talk about this later, and these two pins are very important for the communication. And next pin is state. There is a built-in LED connected to this pin. This LED is an indicator that when your Bluetooth is connected or disconnected, like that. Now let's see the working of this system. Arduino is connected to Bluetooth module using RX and TX pin, and this communication is known as serial communication. Then Bluetooth module is connected with Android phone wirelessly using Bluetooth connectivity, and this is a type of radio frequency communication. And here you can see that all the connections are two-way connection, like Arduino will send some data to Bluetooth module and then Bluetooth module will send to Android phone. Similar way, Android phone can send data to Bluetooth module, then Bluetooth module will send that data to Arduino. Now before starting anything, let's download an app for sending and receiving data from Bluetooth module. Let's see. Now open Play Store and type Arduino Bluetooth controller and download the first app. Now we are ready with our app. Now let's see hardware connection. So in hardware we need Arduino Uno, Bluetooth module HC05 and some jumper wires to connect them. Now we will connect HC05 with Arduino. So connection is like that. 5 volt pin of Arduino will be connected to 5 volt or VCC pin of HC05, ground of Arduino will be connected to ground of HC05, and RX pin of Arduino, that is pin 0, to TX pin of HC05, and TX pin of Arduino to RX of HC05. This is very important. You need to connect RX with TX and TX with RX. Okay, so this is the connection. Now let's code. So let's write the code. Well, this code is available for you. You can download it from description. So I'm giving you everything for free. So do me a favor and subscribe this channel. Now before uploading it, I will explain it to you. So here in first line, I declared a variable of integer type and its name is X. Now in void setup, I initialize serial communication at 9600 baud rate. And this line is saying, hey Arduino, start the serial communication. Then moving to loop. In loop, first line is if serial.available is greater than 0. It means we are checking that if there is any new data available in serial communication or not. If there is new data available, means our Bluetooth module is getting some new data from our Android phone, then this two line will be executed. And what is this? Here is X is equal to serial.read, means we are just reading that new data and assigning it to X variable. Now X variable is having that new data, and then in next line we are printing the data of X variable. So basically what we are doing, we are just checking that if there is new data coming from our Android phone through our HC05 module. If yes, then we will print it on our serial monitor. So this is a simple code. Now let's upload it to our Arduino board. Now before uploading the code, we will remove RX and TX wire from Arduino. This is very important, otherwise your Arduino will never accept a new code. Now we will upload the code. Just select the correct board, that is Arduino Uno, then correct port number and hit upload. And after uploading, just connect RX and TX wire of HC05 to Arduino again. Now we will pair HC05 with our phone. Open your phone, go to Bluetooth settings and go to pair new device setting. Here you will find HC05. Pair it with password 1234 and you will successfully pair HC05. Now open the Arduino Bluetooth controller app that we have just downloaded. Select HC05 and go to switch mode. In right side I am showing you serial monitor so that you can see what our Arduino is receiving. Now tap this setting button on your app and give 1 for on and 0 for off as shown here. Now when you tap this button, you will send some data to our Arduino, and here you can see that in serial monitor we are receiving something, but this is not 0 and 1. These are ASCII code for 0 and 1. Now to get 0 or 1 or any number or value correctly in our Arduino, we will do some changes in our code. So let's see them. Here I changed few things, like I changed the int to string. Here now X will store string value. Now this will change those ASCII code to its original value. Now we will be able to see the original value instead of ASCII key due to the string variable. Now in void setup, I initialized pin 13 as output. I will connect one LED to it. Next in void loop, I changed serial read to serial read string. This will read all the incoming data in string and store it in X variable. Now after that, here I am checking if X is equal to 1. If yes, then digital write pin 13 high. It will just give 5 volts to pin 13 when X is 1. Otherwise, if X is 0, it will give 0 volts to pin 13, and this way we will control our LED using Bluetooth control. So I have already uploaded this code. So let's see how it's working. Now I'm connecting one LED with pin 13 and its circuit diagram is in description. After that, go and connect your phone with Bluetooth and open your app and do everything just like before. One more thing before uploading, keep in mind that you have to remove RX and TX wire. After this, we will see serial monitor, and here you can see that in serial monitor we are receiving our data correctly. So this way we have successfully fixed this, and now we know how Bluetooth module works. So let's see this LED in working. With this, I am ending my voice. Please like, share and subscribe, and also check other videos present on this channel. Thank you guys, signing out.